Good afternoon, guys. Back in Cuyapo, Nueva Ecija. Thought I'd come do a little update vlog for y'all. Got to remember, my wife told me not to keep it pointed on myself very long, so just wanted to say hi, let you see I guess a face with a voice, and let's talk about the house. So lots of things going on here. It's very exciting. We're in I guess we just finished up week 9, and so this is the start of week 10, I believe. And yeah, they've made a lot of progress. So let's look at what's taking place here. And let me swing this around, and so you can see they've already started getting this sewer line in. It comes down. There's a CR up here in the front, and this is the master CR, and then it comes around and wraps around the other side. They've started digging retaining wall here to the road, and then it'll go all the way out to the back side of the pool and then across, and then all that gets filled in with dirt. Let me show you that real quick. They've already started bringing all this fill dirt in. I think they had begun that on the last vlog, but they're just stacking it up here as they get it. All this will be filled in. That retaining wall will come right down here, and all this will get filled in for a pool deck. There's 2 lanais coming off of these areas that have the big sliding glass doors. A lanai there and a lanai there, and then the deck level is even with the kitchen sliding doors. Here's the pool. They got concrete poured in it last week, and yeah, it's coming along nicely. You start to see it's actually starting to look like a pool. Of course, this is all tile. That's what they do here. It's very different than a U.S. pool, but very pretty tiles. I've picked some tiles that are kind of a dark, gosh, I don't even know a gray blue, because I want it to look more like kind of like a pond, if you would. But I did add some color, some light blue on the sides, just to give it a good mix. And the tiles for the bottom, I made sure that we had some texture to them, so don't have folks slipping everywhere. But you can see where the steps are going to come out over there. And this is the continuation of that sewer line. I'm not sure exactly where they're going to put the septic. I thought it was going in the carport area, but it looks like it may have changed. Maybe it's going to be on this side of the house. I'm not sure. This is an outdoor shower for folks to rinse off after they swim. And let's get around here to the front. Start taking you on a actual tour. Oh, exciting. The roof went on last week. They were waiting for materials for a little while, and finally they showed up, I think Wednesday or Thursday, and boy, they knocked it out. They put you can't really see the roof from here, but you can see the guttering. It's got a kind of a dark gray guttering. I think they call it spandrel, I believe is what they call it. I call it a soffit. Right underneath the overhang of the roof is going to be this dark brown that you see here. That's, I believe, part of that spandrel that's going to go up underneath the eaves. They have started finishing out the window casings. That's going to take them a little while, but I don't know if you can see it or not, but the roofing material we picked was we was going to do excuse me, what do you call it, galvanized, but I think I told you in the last vlog that my architect advised we don't do that we get something that's painted. So we did the white. You can't even see the roof from here anywhere, actually. You can't see the color of the roof, but it's white just to, you know, kind of help. It'll help with the reflectivity of getting the sunlight off of us. Guys have taken down their temporary shelter that they had here and have moved into the house since it's semi dried in. I don't call it dried in until it's got windows and doors on it, but hey, enjoy lunch. But you can see they're starting to finish off these window casings in preparation for the windows and doors to be ordered and brought in. They got the power temporarily hooked up here. This is, you'll start to see, I know I've told you this several times, but it was kind of hard to visualize, I think, but this is where the carport and driveway come into. So you can see they're building the retaining wall, because all that's got to be brought up and filled in. As you can see the level of the door. This is the front door right here. This is a window. That'll be a window there and a window across top, but that's the front door. And you'll see how high the dirt actually has to come up for this area. We'll go around and finish the outside, then we'll go into the inside. The guys are eating. We'll get them on camera with their mouths full of food. It's 12, so it's lunch break time. You can see the pump room back here starting to look more like a structure. I won't go into that again. I think I've told you many times what all is going to go into that room. It's not very deep, but it's quite long. And then of course the dirty kitchen will be right here on this outside wall with a walkway down between. So yeah, lots done. I'm excited, very excited. All right, let's go inside and say hi to the guys. Hey guys, say hi to YouTube. Hey. So they're having their lunch, and I may dive in there with them. It looks good. So you can see that they're finishing more in here. This is the kitchen. Big glass sliding doors here. They're getting the kitchen lined out good. Living room area, and then the dining room area. So all that's getting finished out. This is the little powder room I keep telling you about. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. If you're new to the vlog and this is the first house vlog you've seen, I encourage you to go back and check out the others. I just don't want to keep repeating myself. But you can see they've already started finishing out the casings for these sliding glass doors. This is the back of the house, the pool deck. I'll just kind of do a quick swing of this. There's our mango trees. Say hello, mango trees. And this is not my cow, but every time I come here, he's on the property. So when I put the fence up, I may just wait till he's on the property and fence it. And then I guess by default, he becomes my cow. I don't know. Y'all tell me if I'm wrong about that. Just kidding, by the way. I think this is Mount, I don't know if you can see it or not, Mount Balabago, I believe it's what it's called. I could be wrong, could be butchering that. And I don't know, I probably can't see this because it's kind of hazy, but it's warm here today, guys. Summer's here in Cuyapo. It's 36 degrees, which is well up into the 90s. Very warm, but we got a good, the air's moving. Yeah, in Texas, we get those hot temperatures in the summer. We get humidity. There's not a lot of humidity here because we're central Luzon. We're really nowhere near water. So humidity's lower here, and the wind and the air moves. So as long as the air's moving, in Texas, there's no wind, high humidity, high heat. Kind of feels like an oven. But I love my state. I'm not dissing it. Got used to it after 50-something years of living there, but I do like the fact that the air moves a little bit here. So there's another big mountain range over there. I love to look at mountains. I think I've said that before. And I kind of see myself in my retirement sitting out here on the lanai, overlooking the pool and looking at those mountains, drinking a cup of coffee. I'm so excited about that. That's why I worked hard all those years to be able to do that. So kind of looking forward to that. So you got more of the piping, PVC stuff. This is the spare bedrooms. You can see the guys have kind of moved in here with their places to lay down. Ought to be a little bit more comfortable in here for them. The shared bath here, another bedroom, and we'll come down here to the master and check it out. Yes, dear. Say hi to Jen.
Hi.
I'm YouTubing, baby. I'm vlogging. Huh?
I need to go somewhere.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, this is Jen. Say hi. Say bye, baby. This is it's a walk-in closet, and I know you're thinking, God, that's a big closet. Well, it's really our storage. We don't have a lot of other storage in the house. We won't have a lot of other storage in the house, so this will take care of a lot of that. And then, of course, and then the wall will actually come out here, and then there's a pocket door here that goes into the closet, and then you enter the closet to go to the CR, and this is the master CR. They got it pretty much lined out too here. So wonder who's going to sleep in the CR. And not a lot left, but this is the master bedroom. It looks small to me, but I just walked it off. It's plenty big for our queen size bed. Still got room for a desk for my computer, and I'm happy. And again, here's where they've got the casings ready to go for these sliding glass doors. All right, guys, I'm not going to belabor this any longer. Say hello to my cow. Hello, brother. Hope you make some good steaks later on. And we're gonna leave it there. They should be starting to. Gosh, I'm not sure when they start planting rice here. Need to find out. But all this will eventually be nice bright green, full of rice. And then someday mine will be, hopefully have some corn and tomatoes and various other vegetables. That's what I'm shooting for anyway. All right, we're gonna leave it there. You guys have a wonderful week, and appreciate you watching. Hope you like the stuff. My wife's working very hard on these videos, and now these house vlogs she doesn't have to do as much because it's just me talking. But the others that we put out, our travel vlogs and things that we've done, we tried to travel here in the Philippines during all this COVID crap, excuse my word. And she works really hard to make those entertaining and not boring for you guys. So if you like it, please tell your friends, ask them to subscribe. We're growing slowly but surely. I think we're in the 600s. She's pretty excited about that. I guess I don't know if that's good or not for a month on YouTube, but certainly not complaining. Got a lot of positive feedback from folks, and we really appreciate it. Don't mind, if you've got suggestions for us, someplace you'd like to see here that you think maybe we ought to travel to. We'll give it a shot, but we're going to kind of put a hiatus for a little bit on the traveling. Getting really busy here at the house build, and we got a lot of things to get for it. So we may we can't stop traveling very long because we both love to travel, but we'll slow down a little bit. Anyway, you got a suggested place we ought to go to check out? Let us know, and hope you like the house vlogs. We'll talk to you later. The good, the bad, the Philippines.